The brand new version of Chrome is now available, and there's a really cool new feature that I want to show you guys, and it's basically how you can reopen closed tabs. Super easy to do. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's say you have a tab open here and you've accidentally closed it. Let's hit that X button. We now have the ability to grab that tab and open it back up. Now, as you can see, there are multiple options here. The easiest is just going to be to right click right in the empty space. And as you can see, we've got multiple options that pull up, including the reopen closed tab option. And as you can see, after I click that, we have our eBay tab opened back up. Let me close this again, show you there are a couple of other options, including this one. This is a keyboard shortcut. So you're going to hit Command, Shift, and T. That is going to be the correct one on a Mac. I'm going to do that now. And as you can see, that tab opens back up. Again, super simple. This happens to me all the time. And now that they've made it much easier to do, instead of having to go back into your history, makes that much more user-friendly. So I hope this has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making helpful videos, and subscribe because we are making a bunch more of these Google Chrome tutorial videos. Those will be releasing really, really soon. We'll see you again on the next one.